Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show you how to make a transparent background in Photoshop. First, we go to layer panel and create a new layer. Then delete background layer. And we make a transparent background. If you wanna another way to make transparent background, then go to file option and choose new and create a custom background. I am going to rename transparent background white 1000, height 800 pixel and resolution 72. Color mode RGB. Background content, it's very important. Here we see white, black, transparent and custom. We chose transparent background and create. Here we make a transparent background. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget like, comment and subscribe.